Hello brothers, sisters, what's on there? I say Shibu. Hi cooking with Sindaco. It's never first time I show my kwaba. Then never as me as I'm a very simple thing. We be dessert. It is even be chewing no. Or finding kenum. Yeah, it's me banana smoothie. Banana smoothie. The video can start with Ninja Blender. No, if you have an old video na me na me share review about or friends saying this blender, the potential or this banana na you know where we inside no. And I for yogurt no raw yogurt BB and white. No, white yogurt or a slim one. Yogurt na fatty bean, sugar bean or sugar zero, fat zero. You want sugar zero, fat zero, BB and protein pen away inside. Me way. We go inside. And that's me now. Oh, me mali. Be the idea me no do. We tap on do. Me hui me banana no be go inside. To go furthermore, it too amazing katika carpet do. Nice stuff. Next step na me can no without blender no, you be use yensa na daye. You want e be apede idi offense saying banana smoothie, but in your machine will home into no. Or if a wumpona, you will book day. You want enough a fork. If a forker, let I in the scratch no. And about mashing no. Into no this point yogurt no the same yogurt now me didn't kind of have a you know yogurt in before. Hey, that though. You say the import of put on a baby. As I call the two methods near the year, you want until you can go the other way or the other side, depending on as I put it. Until say blender to go the other side, you want. You blend it, near the Kataga national. You so you're the answer near the but the same import, the same you got no a slim banana. And I number 2 I did. It was a guy, bro. You will say to the mastermind, you might be family like click on the red button you are and subscribe to the channel. Let the notification bell set be a bell notification. Anytime a new video about drop, people say, how do you know? Any man here call? It should be one.